Looking for a reliable hybrid SUV that won't break the bank or break down? Here are 7 affordable hybrid SUVs known for their durability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance. Let's get into it. Number 6. 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is a compact SUV engineered for long-term reliability and excellent fuel efficiency. It features a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's proven hybrid system, delivering up to 42 miles per gallon combined, according to EPA estimates, making it one of the most efficient vehicles in its class. Starting at approximately $28,220, the Corolla Cross Hybrid provides strong value, especially when backed by Toyota's renowned reputation for dependability. With a reliability rating of 85 out of 100 from J.D. Power and consistently high marks from Consumer Reports, it's designed to keep running smoothly for years to come. Many Toyota hybrid owners have reported logging over 250,000 miles with minimal issues, and the Corolla Cross Hybrid is built to follow that same path. Routine maintenance is simple and affordable, limited mostly to oil changes, tire rotations, and basic service checks. It's the type of vehicle that might make your mechanic wonder where you've gone. For buyers seeking a practical, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance hybrid SUV, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is a smart and reliable choice that delivers peace of mind without sacrificing everyday functionality. Number 5. 2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid. The 2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid is built for long-term durability and everyday reliability. It combines Mazda's well-known driving feel with a strong hybrid system, ideal for those who value both performance and efficiency. Starting at around $30,300, it's not the cheapest option, but it offers a great balance of quality, fuel savings, and dependability. With a predicted reliability score of 83 out of 100, it continues Mazda's reputation for longevity. Owners often report over 280,000 miles with minimal issues, and the CX-50 Hybrid is on track to do the same. It delivers up to 38 miles per gallon combined, making it efficient for both city and highway use. What sets it apart is consistency. No recurring mechanical problems or strange electrical issues. Maintenance is simple and affordable, helping to keep long-term costs down. If you're looking for a hybrid SUV focused on reliability and efficiency over flashy extras, the 2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid is a dependable choice. Number 4. 2025 Kia Sportage Hybrid. The 2025 Kia Sportage Hybrid is a top performer in the compact SUV class, offering an ideal mix of reliability, fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality. Starting at approximately $20,590, it delivers solid value for drivers looking to cut fuel costs without compromising long-term dependability. With a reliability score of 84 out of 100, the Sportage Hybrid is built to last, often reaching well over 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Kia's hybrid powertrain is both responsive and efficient, delivering up to 42 miles per gallon in the city, making it one of the most fuel-efficient models in its category. Beyond fuel economy, the Sportage Hybrid is also affordable to maintain. Owners report few issues with sensors, electronics, or mechanical components, even as the mileage climbs. Backed by Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, it's clear this vehicle is engineered for long-term peace of mind. Everything about the Sportage Hybrid is designed for consistency, from smooth daily driving to minimal maintenance requirements. Number 3. 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is a practical and well-engineered SUV that combines long-term reliability with strong fuel efficiency. Starting at approximately $32,322, it may not be the most budget-friendly hybrid on the market, but it delivers excellent value with minimal ownership hassle. With a reliability score of 84 out of 100, the Tucson Hybrid is built for longevity, often surpassing 300,000 miles when maintained properly. Its hybrid powertrain is both efficient and proven, offering up to 38 miles per gallon in the city, which helps keep fuel costs consistently low. One of the Tucson Hybrid's biggest strengths is its low maintenance profile. It runs smoothly without the frequent issues or unexpected repairs some hybrids develop over time. Backed by Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, it offers outstanding long-term peace of mind. Rather than focusing on flashy features or high-end gimmicks, this SUV delivers where it matters most: reliable performance, low operating costs, and everyday comfort. For buyers seeking a hybrid SUV that's efficient, durable, and stress-free, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is a smart, dependable choice. Number 2. 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid. The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid is a strong choice for drivers who value long-term reliability, fuel savings, and everyday practicality. Starting at around $33,700, it's priced above entry-level options, but delivers excellent value through durability and low maintenance costs. With a reliability score of 82 out of 100, the CR-V Hybrid reflects Honda's commitment to building vehicles that last. With proper care, many easily surpass 300,000 miles, making it a smart, long-term investment. It also delivers up to 43 miles per gallon in the city, helping drivers cut down on fuel costs. Unlike some hybrids that develop issues with age, the CR-V Hybrid remains stable, easy to maintain, and remarkably consistent. Owners appreciate its simple, no-fuss performance, no frequent repairs or surprise warning lights. Basic maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations is typically all it needs. For those seeking a hybrid SUV built to go the distance without relying on gimmicks, the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid is a dependable and practical choice. Number 1. 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is one of the most reliable and fuel-efficient hybrid SUVs available. Starting at around $31,721, it offers excellent long-term value for drivers who prioritize durability and low ownership costs. With a reliability rating of 85 out of 100, the RAV4 Hybrid continues Toyota's tradition of building enduring vehicles. It delivers up to 41 miles per gallon in the city, significantly cutting fuel expenses. Thanks to its well-tested hybrid technology, many owners report the vehicle easily surpasses 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Engineered for consistent, trouble-free performance without unnecessary complexity, the RAV4 Hybrid is a smart investment for those seeking dependable, year-after-year performance. Thanks for watching.